standard deviation over the square root of n times the z-score, which is 1.645, right? For 90%.
Wait, what's the z-score?
It's just the z-score for the 90%.
Oh, which is just
1.96.
Yeah, I have it in my notes. Oh, 1.96. That's the 95%, isn't it?
Yeah. So which one is it asking? The 90%. Okay.
90% is 1.6. Wait, that's what you said. That's what you said. Okay, just kidding. Okay, you're right. Okay, so what do you do again? So it's 50 over 5 because it's the square root of 25.
Yeah. So it's just 10 times 1.645.
Which is 16.45.
Yeah. Because what's it called? The margin of error is it's just that number that you add or subtract.
Okay. Yeah.
There's a place where it says it's m. M equals z-score times standard deviation divided by the square root of n.
Okay.
And that's margin of error. So I'm pretty sure that's right.
Okay. I think so too. So 4, is it the first one or am I wrong on that? I wasn't.
That's that first little, it's not a graph, it's like a chart. It has sample statistics, it's in 3.1. And X bar is the point estimator of the mean.
Okay, so the third one.
Yeah. In the reading, it says the statistics above are called point estimators. So like where it says mean, standard deviation, and variance, it has X bar. I don't know what that sign is. It's like an 8 and then 8 squared. I don't know what it's called. But then it has the population parameter.
Okay.
So all the ones on the left, all the statistics are point estimators.
Okay. Yeah. Okay, makes sense. Got it.
Okay. So number 5. It's the same thing as number 3, basically, but they give you more information. So it's, let's see, 113 over 8.
4. Yeah, so over 8.
And then it's times 1.96?
95%? Yeah, 1.96.
Times 1.96. And then, where's my calculator? Oh, I'll be right back.
Okay. By the way.
You can't go to Mexico. You don't have your passport. You don't need one to get in. Plus, we can just have Cinco done in Mexico.
Okay. So.
Tell them that I got it. And I turned into an angel. And when they feel
113 divided by 8 times 1.96.
That is just me watching over them. Okay, but what about the bigger corporations? Tell them they're in need.
So I got.
I think it's really cool, Michael. I wish I had a job that I could see. Thank you.
Oh, dang it.
They did it, I don't see, Michael. I know it.
27.685 is the margin of error, and then you subtract that from 526. For the first one, it's 498.315. And then the other way, you just add it to 526.
I know. Yeah, I know.
The limit.
Yeah, for the upper limit.
Is it 553.685?
Yes. Exactly.
Heads up, probably going to be borrowing a new tape. Going to need to contact Linscape.
Not positive. I'd be 20.
What is that?
I'm not positive about 7 or 8.
7 or 8? I thought on 8, I know that it would increase because I just plugged in the math.
Okay.
So you just use the z-score of the 99 percentiles, 2.765.
Oh, yeah. Okay.
So since you already know that it's bigger,
Yeah.
how do you do bigger? So the width of the confidence interval if Gina increased in sample size. So if she used, let's say she used 81, just because that's 9 squared, I don't know.
Yeah. Yeah, that works.
So 113 divided by 9
Mm-hmm.
is 12.55. So that's smaller than the interval before, so it would decrease.
Okay.
Yeah, so it'd be a total of 24 apart instead of 54 or whatever.
Okay, that makes sense.
So 7 decrease, 8 increase. Number 9.
Mm-hmm.
This one was tough. So, but I did get it.
Okay.
I just started plugging in numbers to the square root, and I came up with if we divide 400 by the square root of 246, that gets it to 49.9.
Okay. So how'd you get that?
Well, at first I set up the equation. I divided 50 by 1.96. Yeah.
Yeah.
That comes out with 25.5 something. 25.51. And so, what did I do?
Everyone, can I just have your attention? Has anyone seen a small? Stop that tiny bottle where she's
Sample size, isn't that the wait.
It's just like what we did on number 5, but we're doing it backwards, and we don't know what n is.
So the sample size is n, which is what we're
Yeah.
trying to find.
Yeah, exactly. So
Okay.
the equation is 1.96 times 400 over the square root of n equals 50.
Okay.
So I didn't know how to work through it. I tried to work through it, but then I didn't know how to get rid of the square root of n on the bottom.
Yeah.
So I just started plugging things in.
Okay, so what did you get?
246. The square root of 246. So 400 divided by the square root of 246 equals 25.5. 0.306.852, but then you multiply that by 1.96 and it comes out to 49.9. And they just said what sample size do they need to round up to the nearest whole number. So yeah.
Wait, what did you? Mine got to 12.9. Is yours 49 or something?
What's that?
What did you get in your calculator again?
When I took the square root of 246,
And then multiplied it by 1.96.
I got 49.98, 60143.
Why did I got 4.998?
4.998?
Yeah.
So
okay. So again, okay, so what's the equation again?
So do 400 divided by the square root of 246.
246. Okay.
Make sure that has parentheses on both sides of the square root thing. And then multiply by 1.96.
400 divided by square root of 246.
Yeah.
And then multiplied by 1.96.
Yes.
Okay, now I got 49.98. Okay.
Okay. Cool. Yeah. So that's as close as I could get. I don't know. I don't know if it's I guess we could try a different like 247 or something. Except that 247 is a prime number, I'm pretty sure. Maybe not.
Okay. Yeah, I don't. Well, if it's since it tells us what the is. Wait, if we were able to, could we plug it back in to the equation and find out that way, or would that?
You can try.
I don't know if that would work or not.
Fred Norquist had no appetite. Thinking about his paraphilia, the 10 years after all. As he told Mr. Norquist,
No, I don't know. Maybe not.
get comfortable with the locals.
I do not know. Let's see. That's weird. That's super weird. So I plugged in 247 and 248, and they keep going down. Like 49. The other one was 49.8, and this one's 49.78. So I don't know.
So the answer that you got after doing the whole equation was 49.986, right?
No, it's 246. The sample size is the one that we take the square root of, so it's 246.
Oh. Okay.
So we wanted to figure out what n was. So they need a sample size of 246.
Okay. All right. Well, sounds good to me.
Okay, for number 10, it's the same thing. You just need to find the lower limit and the upper limit. So you just divide standard deviation by square root of sample size. So it's 36,730 divided by 6.
Okay.
And then you multiply by 1.96 because it's the 95% confidence interval.
Okay. Well, did you get a big number?
Yeah, it should be around like 11,000.
Yeah. So then, since they want the lower limit, you subtract it by the
Subtract it from
right?
X bar.
Yeah. Okay. So write this down. So,
96.
Grandpa, where were you?
Yeah.
Well, I was there, you know. I was there. I'll tell you what.
Did you get 99001.5333?
Yes. And it just says round to the whole number, nearest whole number, so I just put 99002.
Okay. So now we just add it then, right?
Yeah, you just add it to 111,000.
$1229.98.
Yeah. So I just rounded it up to 99. And then number 12 was in the reading. And
Right?
yeah. Well, yeah, because
Kind of, it tells you what the answer is because it says
Yeah.
there's 2 requirements.
three.
Yeah, so it only really gives you one option.
Exactly. And I think that is all of them. I think they're all right. If they're not, I apologize.
I think that's the fastest we've ever done that.
I've done this, yeah, and recorded it.
All right, are you ready?
I'm ready. 3, 2, 1, go. Yes. Yes.
Awesome.
Woohoo.
I haven't had one of those in a while. That's good.
That was good. That was great. 100%. All right. Yeah, that was good.
Thanks.
All right. Yeah, no problem. We'll see you on Thursday.
Yeah, see you Thursday. Have a good night.
I'll post this video. All right, you too.
All right, bye.
Bye.